We are talking the sixth extinction, and is it coming to the mining sector? My guest now is Joe Mazumdar of Exploration Insights. He joins me here at Metals Investor Forum. Joe, welcome back.
Thank you, Danielle.
That is a tongue twister. I have to focus to say that.
It is.
So, sixth extinction, is it happening in the mining sector? Why do you feel it's coming?
Well, it has been an event that's taken about a few years to come to fruition. In that we talked about this at the Precious Metals Summit last year with Joe Foster, who runs the Van Eck Active Funds, talking about how well the passive funds have done, the GDX, the GDXJs. And so a lot of the generalist money is not going into the institutional active funds, they're going more into the passive funds. Why? Because anonymity, liquidity, they all want that. And the active funds, that doesn't give them that, and the fees.
Joe, we're speaking here ahead of the PDAC. We're at the Metals Investor Forum now. Can't keep up with all these conferences, but what do you feel sentiment is like right now in the mining space? Are we in a good place?
I would say in terms of financing risk, it's probably elevated. I mean, we've seen like Canadian-based companies with Canadian assets can still find money with flow-through and super flow-through funds, and so that's still getting funded, especially if it's in BC, in the Golden Triangle, or in some places of Ontario, Quebec. But it's problematic for people that aren't in very good jurisdictions right now, especially from the North American crowd. They might be able to find money in Europe or African explorers in Australia, but in North America it's very difficult to find money to fund something in a high geopolitical risk jurisdiction.
Good thoughts from you, Joe Mazumdar, and thanks for watching. We'll have more for you. Kitco.com.